Hey guys, it's Eric here and this is my unboxing and 24-hour review of the Umidigi A3. I got it on Jumia and I'm giving it away to one lucky subscriber. More details on how to win at the end of this video. The box is identical to that of the Umidigi one that I reviewed. No sleeve this time. You have some of the specs on the back. When you open the box, you're greeted with a thank you note from Umidigi. You have the device in a rubber case. It already has a screen protector applied. Let's peel out the sticker on the front and on the back to reveal that beautiful golden color that was borrowed from Apple. We have an envelope that houses the SIM ejector pin and a user guide. You can see all the 4G bands that it supports. You have a 5V 1A charger and a micro USB cable in red. On the front, you have a 5.5-inch HD Plus LCD display with 1440 by 720 resolution. On top of that display, you have an 8-megapixel camera, a speaker, and notification LED. On the back, you have a 12 plus 5-megapixel dual camera setup with dual flash and an oval-shaped fingerprint sensor. On the left, you have a 3-in-1 tray that houses two 4G LTE-ready nano SIM cards and an SD card. On the right, you have the power button and volume rocker keys. On the top, you have nothing. On the bottom, you have a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, a micro USB port, and speaker. The Umidigi A3 has a glass and metal sandwich design with antenna bands on the frame. The golden color is really the best one to show off its beauty. In real life, it looks more golden than it looks in this video. Its size can be compared to the iPhone X and it's just as heavy. The A3 ships with Android 8.1 Oreo. Your quick settings here is bare essentials. The launcher has little or no bloatware, very identical to stock Android. You get 2GB of RAM and 11GB available to use from that 16GB of storage. The A3 uses the MediaTek 6739 quad-core CPU clocked at 1.5 GHz and PowerVR GE8100 GPU. It is all powered by a 3300 mAh battery. In the display settings, you get adaptive brightness but no font type or reading mode. It does have great viewing angles and is super bright outdoors. The screen is responsive to the touch. You have an option to customize your navigation buttons and even use swipe gestures instead. The fingerprint security is easy to set up and works 9 times out of 10, but it's not very fast. You also get face unlock on this guy, which uses the camera to detect a 2D map of your face. I wouldn't use it, but I'll wager that using the face unlock is slightly faster than using the fingerprint sensor to unlock the Umidigi A3. The A3 handles social media apps like Instagram fairly well, however, this is not a gaming device in any way and won't play the likes of PUBG. Small games like Subway Surf are playable but laggy. What's surprising here is that I was able to use Instagram stories without the audio skipping a beat. Here's what the speaker sounds like. Hey guys, it's Eric here and this is the review of the Umidigi A3. Hey guys, it's Eric here and this is the review of the Umidigi A3. In the camera interface, you have picture, beauty, and video mode. You get HDR option and depth of focus aka portrait mode for the back and the front cameras. Here are some photos that I took. It records video in 1080p and has EIS turned on in this video footage. About battery life, I got over 7 hours of screen on time, which should be enough for a full day of light to medium usage. It took about 2 hours and 30 minutes to charge from 0 to 100% using a regular 2.1 amp charger. Here's my final thought. If you're on a really tight budget and you're looking to get the most fashionable phone, the Umidigi A3 has no rival in that regard. The build quality is unbelievable for its price, and as long as you don't brag about speed or camera prowess, you'll be happy you bought it. The Umidigi A3 is priced at 29,900 Naira, which converts to $83 and you can order yours from Jumia Nigeria at a discounted price because it's Black Friday. Jumia Nigeria is also set to give out 99% discount on 10 units of the iPhone XS Max in the treasure hunt today. All you need to do is download the Jumia app and search for the item. You can also win my Umidigi A3 review unit by visiting the Gleam link in the description box and following the instructions. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you made it till the end, do give it a thumbs up and share it. You can come hang out with me on Twitter or Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.